everyone, welcome back to Financiable. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can sign up to CashApp. So, in order to sign up in CashApp, first up go to your Google Chrome or any browser, and in the search box type in cashapp.signup and hit the enter. Once you search that, in the search result you will see somewhat like this, or you will get some results like this. Scroll down and click on the second link that appears. Now as you can see, you are asked for an American number. So you have two options. Either you can add your United Kingdom number or USA or American phone number. So if you belong to USA or London, you can easily sign up this. So here I've entered this number. Once I enter the number, I have clicked on continue option. You can also use your email, so you will be sent your confirmation code on your number that you have just added. So once you receive the confirmation code, add your confirmation code and hit the enter button. Once you do that, you will be asked for some information and all. Fill up all and you will be able to successfully sign up to CashApp. If you found the video to be helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.